Hey everyone, Pankaj here. In this video, today I'm going to talk about a current situation, that is collapse of ocean food due to lack of government funding and initiative for disease prevention and triggered by chemtrails. This is my critical thinking presentation and I'm going to talk about my current situation among you. Let's begin up. As we all know that oceans cover nearly 3 by 4 of the Earth's surface. Oceans have always been an important and reliable source of food. The land surrounded by the oceans are nearly dependent upon ocean creatures for their livelihood. For example, Maldives. So there is another topic like ocean food web. So ocean food web have three levels: primary producers, herbivores, and predators. Shows that increase in amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere soars the temperature. Higher temperatures boost algal growth, but herbivorous populations did not expand because herbivorous remain similar and elevated temperatures results in a higher metabolic demand. Due to ocean warming, the ocean food is imbalanced. So you can see the examples which I have shown in the slides. As we know that in the ocean there can be a problem as well occur sometimes. First, like the first problems might be a climate change, which results in a complete food chain collapse across the world's oceans. The study reviewed more than 600 published on everything from coral reefs, kelp forest, and the world's ocean. According to Professor Ivan Nakelkarankan, states that there will be species collapse from the top of the food chain down. Increase in ocean acidification, warming temperature, also the pollution and overfishing cause the decreased number and diversity of key species of ecosystem. One problem of the collapse of ocean food is ocean fishing. As we know that ocean fishing is one of the major problem in the world. Fish and other aquatic species are a finite resource in our oceans. Ocean fishing accounts for 80% of the world fish catch. The other 20% comes from inland fishing, 5%, and aquaculture, 15%. The ocean fish have reduced by half since 1970s. The major cause for most fishery population declines has been broadly attributed to overfishing. The most significant human-induced causes of living marine resources habitat degradation in order of their importance are depletion in alternations in freshwater flows, physical habitat degradations, and nutrient over-enrichment. So, how does it happen? Most common example, the collapse of ocean food is the industrialization. So, what is industrialization? Industrialization refers to the technological advancement and increase in economic activities due to the establishment of industries in a large scale in a country or region. Industrialization is a major factor of pollution. According to UN, FAO 2011, due to the industrialization, 6.3 billion tons of carbon dioxide is being released in the atmosphere, due to which the amount where the aquatic life cannot withstand. Most of the industries are dumping their harmful waste in the source of water, which cause the water pollution. Also, due to the lack of government attention and regulation towards minimizing the pollution, the aquatic life is in danger. You can show in you can see in the diagram. So the collapse of ocean food can be also caused by due to lack of government funding. As we know that government plays the significant role in many aspects of preservation and promotion of environment. Government make rules, policies and program and implement those. Due to lack of government funding, rules are not followed, policies are not carried forward and program does not run smoothly as it should be. Solutions to minimize the pollution. For the eradication of this issue, overfishing should be prohibited by the local council in the water. They should raise funds for the protection of ocean and the sea animals, such as they should provide the proper dumping site area for the industrial garbage, proper awareness about the importance of ocean for the future. The government should make strict rules and policies to preserve the environment and ocean life. What are chemtrails made of? It is believed it is believed that it is a geoengineering programs used by the government to control the weather and population. Those trails are actually clouds of chemicals where jet planes fly at high altitude and spray the chemicals into the atmosphere, including aluminium, barium, and strontium. Later on, those chemicals drop into the ocean, land in the form of water droplets, which directly affects the ocean sea creatures and human beings. Government launches a new toxic eco trial in the ocean. New toxic eco trial can be caused by the biggest ship container where they release the monomethyl mercury in the ocean and that mercury converting into a most dangerous methylated form, which is very harmful for the ocean animals and ocean. Solutions taken by the government for the chemtrails. Here are some solutions that can be taken by the government to reduce the chemtrails. Government should not carry out those chemtrails which can be harmful for the aquatic animals and human beings as well. Chemicals that are not harmful for the whole living creatures should be used by the government and need to pay attention towards it. Instead of chemtrails, government should find other sustainable ways and invest on those to control the weather and population. So these are my reference that I have researched about my given presentation topic. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.